I know that many people will agree with me, and I also know that many others will disagree. But for me, lights are one of the most important aspects of filming. And I ask you, what light are you currently using? Do you use big brands like Aperture, Amaran, etc.? Or do you work with more affordable lights? I recently got my hands on a video light I've been testing, and I wanted to share my thoughts with you. I'm talking about this ultra-compact, not heavy yet powerful video light, the COLBOR CL220. But was I impressed with the performance and build quality of this $359.99 light? Let me tell you about it so you don't make the mistakes I made in the past. Hey there, I'm Ruben and I create content about cameras and filming on my channel. Now, COLBOR is not sponsoring the video. They sent me the light to try it out and give my honest opinion, and they didn't get to see this video until today. In 2020, I purchased the Godox SL60 and the 80 centimeters softbox, and I was satisfied. However, the light suddenly stopped working just a week after the warranty expired. I could only use the light at 30%, as increasing it will cost to turn it on and off repeatedly. I posted on Twitter, and remembered people from Godox very nicely advised me to send it for repair. But that means I had to go to the post office and send the light. And post offices in Italy are a nightmare, so I kept working at 30%. I understand that you can have a faulty product, mainly when you make thousands of them. It's normal and can happen to anyone. But happened to me. But when I received the light and opened the box, my first impression was, oh, another box and a carrying bag. Now, I hate comparing things, but do you know how many times I've thrown my Godox SL60 in the trunk of my car going to work and the light is back there unprotected? Recently, I had to get a bag for the light. Well, this one comes with the beautiful bag with protection and handles. And we appreciate that very much because we carry stuff, lots of stuff. So bags are welcome. Of course, this video is not about the bag, so let's get more technical. This is what you see when you open the box, and then when you open this beautiful bag. We have the light with the COB cover, the power brick, the cable, and the reflector. And up here, we have a compartment with a strap and the NATO expansion bar. Oh, what's that? Well, that allows the light to be connected with other lights so you can use them on bigger productions using more than one light at a time. Cool. When you pick up the light, the first impression is, oh, it's very light. Is it plastic? It weighs only 1.6 kilos. Well, it says that it's made of aluminum alloy and ABS material. What kind of alloy, I don't know, but this has its positive sides and it might have some negative sides maybe. It can dissipate very well heat. It makes it very light, which is this case. However, the light may fall on the floor at some point. And personally, I don't think this one will survive falling from the C stand. Hey, maybe I'm wrong, but I won't be the one testing that. I gotta say, the brightness of this light at 100% is truly impressive. And this, as you may know, is very handy for easy shooting in all lighting situations. It can significantly improve the quality of your videos. Another thing I especially liked about this light was the ability to adjust the color temperature. It's dual color, going from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. So it will allow you to match the lighting to your shooting environment and achieve more natural look. But features don't stop there. At the back, you can see a straightforward layout with 6 buttons. Effect mode button, which we're going to be seeing in a second. Rate option button, color temperature option button, settings button, plus the color temperature control wheel and the brightness control wheel, a DC 48 volt power port, and the power button. Now, this light has 10 effects: fire, CCT chase, pulsing, TV, explosion, faulty bulb, welding, strobe, lightning, and SOS. Now you can power this light using the cable and the 48-volt power adapter in the bag. Please don't let the power brick hang, but use the wire ring to hang it on the lampstand. You can also power this light by using a V-mount battery not included in the purchase. Another interesting feature is the air fan. Number one, the display shows the fan icon with the letter S, which means smart mode. This product will adjust the fan speed according to the internal detected temperature to ensure optimal working conditions. Number two, the fan icon with a Q, meaning quiet mode. The fan will keep running at a low speed for minimum noise, in case you record an interview where you need the light close to the subject, etc. And this mode, the brightness should be kept below 80%. And number three, the icon with a P, which means performance mode. Here, the fan will run at a highest speed to ensure heat dissipation. Last but not least, this light doesn't have a typical remote. I know some people won't like this and others will, but the fact is that we all have our phones with us all the time, right? And so when you either scan the code or visit their website, you can download an app called COLBOR Studio or Light Control, and with that app you can control your lights. Ain't that But there's one more thing. Have you seen a softbox put together on and off easier than this? This is the 90 centimeters softbox at $129.99. I think COLBOR has done a great job with this light, and I'm sure it can compete among the big brands in the market. Thank you, COLBOR, for sending me this light and letting me test it. Do yourself a favor and get good lights for your videos. See you all in the next one. Peace and blessings.